This video will tell you all about traveling by train through Java. Oh, and we have something extra to show you from our train stop, because we didn't just sit in the train all day, all night. No.
Yo! Hello! Hello! It's a new video. After a while. No, that's not true, because we've uploaded, but oh my god, the train is coming! We're
in Indonesia.
Oh my god.
To be more precise, we're on Java.
Yeah.
Just arrived, but
we arrived yesterday.
yeah, we're gonna start our first adventure. So we're going from Jakarta to Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta, yeah.
It's a 7-hour train ride, and we have one stop. And we're gonna see if it's we have some nice views and everything. So we'll make a video about it.
Apparently, it's a really beautiful train ride. So yeah,
enjoy.
During this train ride, we traveled in executive class. Our first experience beforehand, we didn't really know what class to go for, but a lot of people recommended this one. We will of course show you the differences with economy class later on, because we've also experienced that.
Je ziet ook horses. Oh, my.
Is your head okay?
I hope so. Yeah, I'm clumsy.
You're clumsy and you're too tall for this country.
Yep, that's one thing for sure. All the people are looking like, oh my god, this guy is tall. But I'm okay. Are you okay?
No. I'm coughing a lot. So.
You're sick.
A little bit, but it's fine. I'll live. We're in the train. Yes, off we go.
Ready to go.
For this ticket from Jakarta to Yogyakarta, we paid about 60 euros per person. Not nothing, but it was a relatively long way to go. As you can see, we were seated in like an airplane row. The seats were quite comfortable. We had a lot of leg space. We could put our luggage above our heads or some bags like in front of our feet. There was aircon, Wi-Fi, and there were charging points.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Yeah. I like all the palm trees and the banana trees, and the banana plants are my fave, I think. Yeah. We're kind of getting to the suburb kind of area, so that's nice.
At a few times, some people came by with like water, nasi, bami goreng to buy. Yeah, there were toilets, they were quite okay. Traveling by train is a really nice way to cross the country quite fast and to see some of the surroundings, of course. We love to see how the surroundings changed from like the city to more of the outside and the rice fields, just local life passing by.
Some scenery, but it's very bad. It's a bit bumpy. Come on! We have arrived in Kaboom! Kaboom! Yeah, this is gonna be our stop for the next 2 nights.
Yes.
It's I think it's a small town, but I'm not sure.
Pretty small.
Yeah.
But really nice, I hope.
Yeah, let's see.
Our stop was in Kabumen, a relatively small place full of local life. Yeah, we were like the only tourists there. No joke. We rented a scooter and we discovered the beautiful area. It was doable to drive to the coastline, to Menganti.
Look where we at!
Yeah, after a 1.5 hour drive from Kaboom to Menganti beach. It was a beautiful drive.
It was really beautiful.
So cool. It's like we're the only tourists in this whole area.
Yeah.
Like, we only seen locals, so it was like the real Indonesia, the real Java. It was so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we arrived at the beach now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm too tall.
Yeah, you're too tall. You need to bend.
Yeah.
But it's a really beautiful spot. Like the palm trees, the views in the back. There are a lot of rocks, so as in swimming, Well, you can swim if you go past the rocks, maybe. But at the back, it's also like so great. There are like fisher boats, some of them in the water, and there's a lot because we can drive all the way up there, even further to have a look there. So we will do that in a bit.
First we're gonna enjoy that side,
Yeah,
the beach side, maybe
exactly.
fly the drone around.
Yeah.
Do it, let's enjoy.
Yeah. Such a cool place. It's like, I don't know, no words. It's beautiful. It's
the
really,
secret gem of your Java.
yeah, it is really a hidden gem. We're going again.
Yeah, we're going to Yogyakarta
Yes.
from Kaboom, so it's like a 2-hour train ride. Kaboom! Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah, number 3.
Zijn we de enige die deze wagon instappen?
Ja, zeg maar.
Thank you. Yeah.
Continuing from Kebumen to Yogyakarta, you can see again what executive class looks like. Same setup, same things. We brought along some snacks and we were ready for the next hours in the train.
Morning. It is very early, it's 5:15 and in half an hour our train will go because we're at
Banjuwanji.
It sounds so funny. And we're now gonna go to Malang. It's a 7-hour train ride. And this time we're not gonna go for the same like class in the train, right? Can I say it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're now going for the economy class, so it was really the last one available actually, so that's why. And it might be a bit different, so I'm curious. Are you?
Yeah, we'll make a comparison, the executive and the economy.
Exactly.
So, we got on this train in Banjuwanji and we headed off to Malang. A pretty long ride again, but this time in economy class. Main differences with executive class are price and comfort. Yeah, you are about to see.
Are you comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Look at his legs. They're like, if someone is about to sit here, then there's no room. No leg space.
Yeah, I have the same common problem always.
Yeah, always. So our luggage is on top. We have a nice window view on the garden. No, we're about to take off, so we're still at the station of Banjuwanji.
You can charge your phones here now.
Yeah, that's nice. It's actually, and there's aircon, so it's quite like the executive class.
Yeah, it's funny because the executive is about $35 per person.
It depends on how far you go.
And yeah, for the same distance that we're going.
Yeah.
$35.
Yeah.
This one is $4.
Per person.
So
Yeah.
it's a huge difference.
Huge.
But
Yeah.
if there's people in front of you,
Then it's like, yeah, there's not much like room, because in the executive class,
there's
as you've seen, you have like a plane.
plane setup.
A
where
plane
you just
setup.
all sit the same way.
Yeah, let's go 7 hours to Malang.
Definitely some differences, but given the price, that makes good sense. The price difference is kind of huge. So if you do a budget trip, then economy class is like more than okay.
How's it going? We're almost there. Or kind of almost.
I think 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
It's decent, but the seat is not very chill. Like after 1.5 hours, I felt like, oh, my body starts to hurt and I can't find a nice position anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, and you don't have enough leg space, right? That's definitely for you like an issue, because you're tall, you're like almost to the ceiling of the train. It shows how tall you are. Yeah, we'll make it.
Oh, yeah, and a crying kid. I'm gonna cry as well.
Oh, okay. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
We still experience traveling by train as very, very nice, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone to do.
Woo! The train ride is finished!
Yeah, we're at the hotel, top floor, sky bar.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. But also the train ride was amazing.
It was amazing, it was so beautiful.
Yeah. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!